We are willing to pay any number of taxes because, after all, people will have to pay to the government to carry on the administration and to face any problem that the country has to face. But the rise in prices is something that is really making the people nervous. It is almost killing the people. The taxes do not matter. It is only once a year that the taxes have to be paid, but the high prices for the various articles have to be paid every hour, almost in the day, and that is what people really mind. Something has to be done about it. Some sort of reply was given, but it was not convincing. We are not clear in our mind as to what exactly the government intends to do to bring down the prices. This is the most important thing, and this is the only thing that a greater section of the people is interested in. They would really be happy if something is done about it. The next thing I said was clothing. Even though so many textile mills are coming into existence and huge profits are being made by the mill owners, the price of cloth is still high. More than all, this is the problem of shelter. We have seen during this cold weather how many people in Delhi died for want of shelter. They had to stay on the pavement. It is a disgraceful thing. It is a shameful thing that we have not been able to provide some sort of a minimum shelter, at least for everybody in our country. The corporations of the big cities must be compelled by the union government to build at least some sort of kacha dwellings where these people can go and sleep at night. Some cheap structures can be put up. We find from the papers that the government are thinking of providing loans for building houses or for purchase of land for construction of buildings and all that. What where is land available? They ask fabulous prices for land, particularly in Delhi, Mumbai, and other big cities. Some solution has to be thought of eliminate this kind of hardship. The next thing is education. I am very glad to say that the present education minister has taken up his work very seriously in all earnestness and is trying to bring about a lot of changes for the better. In many states, they have introduced compulsory primary education and elementary education, and they have also made it free for girls without having to pay any fees. They can study up to high school. Stop.